Hey, it's Mike from AnywhereCam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Eagle 4G camera set up and running in no time. When you open the box, you'll see the camera, the solar panel, and a few other accessories. You can move most of that to the side. But the one thing you'll want to locate first is a QR code on your camera. This will be on a silver label located on the spine of the camera. Before we move forward, let's go over a couple tips and tricks to help the setup of your camera go smoothly. Make sure you've downloaded the AnywhereCam app on your phone or tablet. It works on both Apple and Android devices, so before you do anything else, please make sure to download the app and set up an account. It only takes a few minutes and is completely free. Next, we recommend charging your camera for at least a few hours, ideally overnight, before starting the setup. This ensures your camera has a full charge when you first deploy it. Also, please make sure that you're in an area with strong cellular signal. This will help the setup process go much more smoothly. Now we're ready to get things started. First, take your camera and attach the solar panel by connecting the two wires together. Once connected, you'll see a light turn on. Shortly after that, the camera will start speaking to you.
Initializing camera.
It will tell you that it's initializing. This should take about 30 to 60 seconds. When you hear that, it's a great time to grab your phone and open the AnywhereCam app. Make sure you're logged into your account and at the home screen. When the camera announces that it's connected to the cellular network, go to the app and follow the on-screen instructions. It's very simple. From the home screen, in the top right, tap the plus sign in the corner, then select Scan. A scanner will appear within the app. Hold your phone about 6 inches away from the QR code on that silver sticker. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will begin a countdown to connect your camera to your app. This should take about 20 to 30 seconds. Once it connects, you should see a confirmation screen that looks like this.
Camera is successfully
This means your
added
Eagle
to your
4G
account.
camera has been successfully connected to your AnywhereCam app. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe to get the latest tips and updates from AnywhereCam.